Welcome to ACC-Northeast's Pro Bono Spotlight, your opportunity to get involved and learn about what others are doing in your community to give back. My name is James Coughlin. I'm a board member of the ACC and a legal director at Dell Technologies. And it's my pleasure to welcome Jessica Moles, who's part of KIND, an organization that helps unaccompanied minors with their immigration cases. And Jessica, we're really excited to have you today. Love to learn more about you, what you do, what the organization does, and how folks in our community can help you.
Pleasure to be here. My name is Jessica Moles. I'm a senior attorney at KIND, Kids in Need of Defense.
Jessica, what does your organization do every day?
So at KIND, it's our mission to ensure that no child appears in immigration court alone without high quality legal representation. In the Boston office, we train and mentor pro bono attorneys to represent kids in their removal proceedings. Almost all of our kids are unaccompanied children, meaning that they come across the border without a parent and without legal status. And because of that, most of our kids are coming from Central America, so Guatemala, Honduras, and El Salvador, but we've had represented children from over 70 countries. And most of our kids are eligible for two primary forms of legal relief: asylum and special immigrant juvenile status, which is a special status for kids who have been abused, abandoned, or neglected by a parent.
Sounds like a lot of really important work that your organization's doing. And so what are some of the specific volunteer opportunities that you have for pro bono attorneys?
So there's a variety of ways that folks can get involved with KIND. For Spanish or Portuguese speakers, we're always looking for volunteer interpreters or translators. You don't have to be a certified interpreter. And this is a nice way that folks can get involved. It's rather discreet. It could put you on a volunteer interpreter list, and people could reach out to you to see if you're available, and you could interpret for client meetings. And I think even in sort of the post-COVID world, when that happens, I think those opportunities could still potentially be virtual. And then for attorneys, we are always looking for attorneys to represent kids in their removal proceedings. At KIND, we provide trainings, samples, and you'll get a KIND mentor to work with you for the duration of your case. So we'll be there to review filings or strategize, whatever you need. And I will say that the vast majority of our attorneys don't have any immigration experience or speak another language other than English, and that's totally fine. We'll work with you through the whole process. And particularly for in-house and corporate counsel, we're happy to work with you either on your own, or if you want to pair up with another in-house counsel or even an attorney at a law firm. We do have a number of corporate law firm partnerships, so we're happy to facilitate that or brainstorm ideas for you to get involved. And then, of course, we're a nonprofit, so we always appreciate folks spreading the word about the work that we do, and happy to help fundraise for us.
So Jessica, what should volunteers expect from a time commitment? What would be involved in an actual volunteer opportunity if they were to take on a case or participate in some other way?
Yeah, so representing a child for the full duration of their immigration case can take a number of years, but the time commitment, unfortunately for the child, a lot of it is waiting for their case to be processed or for their turn at an interview or their turn for a visa. So the time commitment can be sort of spread out over the duration of the case. But there's also opportunities to sort of work on a discrete portion of the case so that it's a shorter or more discrete time period. And we're happy to talk with folks about those opportunities as well.
How exactly can our members volunteer? Is there a phone number or an email, or obviously I'm sure on your website, is there specific steps that folks should follow to volunteer their time?
Yeah, so just reach out to us. You can email us at infoboston@supportkind.org, or you can go to our website, supportkind.org, and there are links for ways to get involved, including how to become a pro bono attorney.
Thanks so much for joining us today and for all the great work that your organization is doing, and also for making opportunities to volunteer available to our ACC Northeast members. Good luck with all the work that you're doing, and thanks again for joining us.
Thank you so much.